Very good morning, everybody, and first of all, special hello to a very good friend of mine, a follower I have in a very tiny city, in a tiny country called Linz. I am pretty sure you guys, when you will watch this video, you are going to laugh a lot. So grab a beer and have fun. So, I am coming here, just completed 8.5 kilometers training this morning on my training, running training on the way to the marathon, and I would like to make a very brief summary of what happened yesterday at the ERA workshop, the workshop of the European Radon Association. So we had 4 different speakers. The first speaker was dealing with radon in water, and it was Christian from the, I think in Italian it's something like Istituto Superiore di Sanità. So, he opened the session. Then we had a person representing the project RadonNet. RadonNet is a project funded by MPER at the European level and is dealing with radon instruments. We had also one speaker coming from Romania talking about gamma spectrometry and also radon measurements in indoor air and how to combine everything in order to make a very good risk assessment, which is not an easy thing to do. And finally we had Matej Nesnal from the Czech Republic. Matej is one of the big names on radon in soil gas measurements. So he did an amazing talk, very good. He communicated very good the topic of radon in soil. And after the break, we had a roundtable discussion, and I would like to point out the interaction with the participants of the workshop. We had around 45 persons on site here in Bergamo, and another 22 online. Thank you very much to all the participants, and thank you very much for all your questions. That's what really makes a workshop a very good event, the interaction with the audience. After the roundtable discussion, we had the meeting of the annual general meeting of the European Radon Association, and we finished the day with a meeting of the executive committee and a dinner almost up there at the Roof Garden restaurant here in the Hotel Excelsior in Bergamo. So that's all for today, and have a fantastic, very sunny day. It's so warm, come on, it's absolutely warm. I'm almost dying, to be honest. It's around 25 degrees. It's absolutely amazing. So that's all for today. Have a very good rest of the week. Bye bye.